What kind of waves do sound waves behave like in terms of reflection? Sound waves follow the same laws of reflection as light waves, where the angle of incidence equals the angle of reflection. Both require a surface for reflection, and the incident wave, reflected wave, and normal lie in the same plane. If the distance to a lightning strike is 1,730 meters and the speed of sound is 346 meters per second, how long would it take for the sound to be heard? The time taken for sound to travel is calculated using the formula time is equal to distance speed. Substituting the given values, 1,730 meters divided by 346 meters per second equals exactly 5 seconds. Which term describes the high-frequency sound system used by bats? Echolocation is a biological sonar where bats emit ultrasonic waves that bounce off objects, allowing them to navigate and hunt in total darkness. By analyzing the return time and frequency shift of the echoes, bats can determine the size, distance, and speed of prey. Bioacoustics is the broad scientific study of sound production and reception in animals, not just the specific navigation system. Sonar, sound navigation and ranging, is a man-made technology inspired by animal echolocation used primarily in underwater navigation. Ultrasounds refer to the sound waves themselves, above 20 kHz, while echolocation is the system that utilizes these waves. What concept about sound waves describes their oscillation direction relative to propagation? Sound waves are longitudinal waves because the particles of the medium vibrate back and forth parallel to the direction of wave propagation. This movement creates regions of high pressure called compressions and low pressure called rarefactions. Sound waves are mechanical waves that require a medium, unlike electromagnetic waves which can travel through a vacuum. Stationary waves occur when two waves of the same frequency interfere, but sound generally travels as a progressive wave. Standing waves are a specific type of stationary wave pattern, whereas the question asks for the fundamental nature of sound propagation. What information is described by structure of sound waves? The structure of sound waves refers to physical properties such as wavelength, frequency, amplitude, and velocity. Understanding these characteristics is crucial in physics for analyzing how sound behaves as a longitudinal mechanical wave. What property of sound changes as the air is pumped out of the jar? Sound requires a medium to travel, and as air is removed from a jar, there are fewer particles to transmit vibrations, leading to a decrease in amplitude. Once a vacuum is reached, the loudness drops to zero because sound cannot propagate without a medium. What happens to the velocity of sound in a gas if the temperature remains constant but pressure increases? According to Laplace correction, the velocity of sound in a gas depends on temperature but is independent of pressure changes if the temperature is constant. This is because an increase in pressure leads to a proportional increase in density, keeping the ratio of pressure to density constant in the velocity formula. The velocity does not increase because the density increase compensates for the pressure increase. The velocity does not decrease as the elastic properties and density change in a way that cancels out the effect. Sound velocity is stable under constant temperature conditions and does not fluctuate randomly with pressure. Which state of matter generally allows sound to travel fastest, based on the provided examples? Sound travels fastest in solids because the particles are closely packed, allowing for quicker transmission of vibrational energy. In materials like steel, sound travels significantly faster than in water or air due to higher elasticity and density. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Quotient for more.